Hello, this is the second log, and this is the blue tier 1 ship. It'll start to appear after the fifth wave. Um, as you guys can see, the blue ship is always facing the player, and but when he gets hit, he actually ends up not facing the player. Here, let me hit him. And during that time, it has a little shake effect, as you guys saw, and then it stops. Hold on, let me restart. Alright. Right now he's in scatter mode, and as you can see, he is shooting from two spots from his gun. During scatter mode, he is just uh, moving around at random locations around the player. He gets the player's radius and goes to a random location near the player. And but later on, I'll add a follow mode where it's facing the player and it's chasing him down. Um, and you chase him right behind him. That way, the only way to defeat the ship is by going in front of it, then in a straight line, shooting at it, and then going back. So if he was behind me, I'll just rotate, shoot, and then escape. Rotate, shoot, and escape, and do that several times until it's dead. Now I can do that from an angle, which is kind of hard, which is what the point is, because it's in scatter mode, which is not chasing the player. So it's not the player's threat. Like, it's not the player's biggest concern as of right now. The player's biggest concern is going to be other ships who are chasing him during each wave. Um, but if he gets in between those two guns in a straight line, the blue ship is not going to hit him. You just go right in between those two bullets and never get hit. Right now he's getting hit, but not when the blue ship's chasing him. Um, the speed is temporarily modified for debugging purposes, but it will definitely be slower than the player. The ship also has a health system that I learned on how to do things to a tutorial, whose link I'll put in the uh, description. But whenever the ship gets damaged, it shows the damage the player has done. It shows it in white blue that is applied to the ship's health, which is in blue. Here, let me find the ship. Uh, I don't know where it went, so I'll just restart. Alright, so if I damage the player, the ship, um, its health will appear, but it would also get damaged in white, just like that. Oh, it went somewhere. Sometimes it does that. I have to move the map a bit down, but it's okay for now. Alright, so I'll try to destroy the ship and show you guys its death animation. It's kind of hard. So when the ship's health reaches 0, it goes straight down while swirling around. It's supposed to seem like it's starting to malfunction and lose control. And after 5 seconds, once it gets off the player's view, the actor is removed from the game. Where did it go? God damn it. Alright, I'll try to kill it one more time. Whoa. Yep. Starts to go down. And once it disappears from the player's view, it's gone forever. I tried to kill him away from that gray line, so I'll show you guys one more time what I mean. just have to keep going all the way down. Oh, it should be here somewhere. Right there it is. I'm gonna kill him right now. Oh shit. Oh damn it. He got me. Alright, let me try one more time. No. Alright, I'm gonna wait for him to come. When he dies, he'll just start to go down. It's gonna look like it's malfunctioning. And in the future, I'll have like a small explosion that will take place when the blue ship's health reaches 0. No! God damn it. Can't kill him with that. The ship's range is also used for, it's gonna be decreased too. I just use it for debugging purposes. Because my range is a lot bigger than his range. Oh. Or so it's supposed to be. Right. Right. So it gets destroyed and starts to go down like that. And once it disappears from the player's view, or after 5 seconds, the actor is destroyed. Well, that's all I have to report on this log. Let me know what your thoughts are about the ship and how I can improve on it.